You have been wondering how much you need in order to start your live trading account. Now, the most important thing you need is not the capital. The most important thing you need is the skills, your ability to know how to trade. And having said that, you don't need much money in order for you to start trading your live account. I mean, you don't need that much amount of money. There are different ways you can get money. You can get money from a pro firm, and you can start with as little as $50. Do you hear me correctly? Yes. I mean, you can start a live trading account with as little as $50 following this simple strategy and trading these pairs. Now, what is the strategy? If you have been following our videos over time, you get to know that we have been sharing some secrets on how you can trade the financial market and become profitable. This is Soji and you're welcome to Soji Forex. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how you can start your trading account with as little as $50 in your live account and you are good to go. So I'll be walking you through the pairs you can trade using such amount of money, and as well as the risk method you can take to and the strategy you can follow. Alright, in our previous video I've talked about how you can take a continuation and a reversal trade. For instance, I want to share with you, this is a reversal trade. If you come to our H4, you realize that market has been doing a higher high. Just as you can see, this is a pure uptrend. Market is making higher high. It came down, give us a higher low, higher high. And if you are using a trend line, you realize that price has been going up on our H4. This is a buy market, it's an uptrend, and price has been respecting our medium Bollinger Band and our 50 EMA. But when you look at our indicator window, you realize that something is happening. And what we are having here, we are having market is making a lower high, which is a divergence on our H4 time frame. Okay, and if you are hearing this for the first time, we have videos on this channel which talk about divergence. I would suggest you go watch those videos. And here we go. We spot a divergence on H4. We move to our M15 time frame. Here we are on our M15 time frame, and you will see the same thing playing out. Okay, you can see that from here already the market is doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high. But when we look at our indicator window, you will see that here is a lower high, and here we have a lower high. So the price is doing the opposite of the main chart, and all you will need to do, you picked your trend line, and here we have our trend line. I want to see price close at the break of this trend line. This is it, and then we have our follow-up candle which gives us this rejection, this hammer you are seeing, and upon this follow-up candle, here we have our entry. You can see our stop loss at the previous high. Okay, market has gone in our favor a bit, so we want to adjust. Let's adjust our stop loss to break even, and then you can see here's our entry and here's our TP. So this is a simple way. Now, having said this, we can trade any account using a small amount as low as $50. And what do I mean? If you deposit a $50 into your account, you can trade it and grow it, trading boom and crash. The best I want you to trade it on is not volatility, it's not currency pair. Trade it basically on boom and crash. I know what I'm saying. Watch the previous videos on boom and crash. Apply the risk management. If you deposit a $50, I will recommend you place your trade using this lot size. This is what you have to do for you to place your trade. Increase your lot size to 3. The default lot size is 0.2. All you need to do, you click on this to increase your lot size. So I'll be clicking on it right away. I just click it now. I will select 0.3. Okay, so I will increase it to 0.3. That's great. So what next? I will now place my sell trade. I will sell. Great, now I've placed a sell trade. So what do? All I will do is I will close position. And how do I close position? I'll click on this now, on trade. Alright, I'll click on trade and I'll hold it down and modify. Okay, now I'll hold it down and I'll close position. And then you can see it. I'll come here now. I'll close 2.0. Now I just close 2.0, and as you can see, you realize that instead of having 0.3 now, I am having 0.1. Okay, so I will now set my stop loss. So this previous high is going to be my stop loss, and I just set my stop loss. Okay, so if this trade should go against me, you can see now, if this trade should go against me, how much am I losing? If this trade should eventually go against me, I will be losing. Okay, you can see it here. This is 3.9. I'll be losing 3.9. Okay, it's obvious here now. So that's the stop loss. If this trade go against me, I'll be losing $3.91. Alright, and what this means is that, remember, bond 1000 is very volatile. If you are doing this on crash 1000, crash 500, bond 500, you'll be losing something like $2 thereabout. So if you have a $50 account and your take profit is going to be almost 1 to 3 of what you are risking, almost 1 to 3 of what you are risking. So if I am to take this trade now based on this amount, you can see I'll be making a profit of $7.12, which is almost 2.5% of what I'm risking, which is reasonable as far as the risk is concerned. But if I'm doing this on crash 1500 and above, it will be like I'm risking $2. So if I have a $50 account, okay, so if I have a $50 account and I lose $2 or 3.91 cents, now I am still left with 46.09. So assume I lost this one, and then for my next trade I risk another. Let's assume I risk $4. Let me say now minus 4. I risk $4, and the $4 I risk, I now make $8 to it. So which means 8 plus the 4 I risk, because when I place the trade, I assume I've lost the money. So 4 now plus the 8 I make is going to be 12. So I'm now going to do plus 12. And then you see that I have 54.09. So which has already put me in an overall profit. So I'll take another trade again, and I'm going to risk another 4. Okay, so when I risk this 4, and then eventually this 4 plays out in my favor, or this 4 did not play out, I lose this 4, I'm still left with 50, and then I risk another 4, I lose this 4 again, I go back to 46.9, and then I now take another 4, right? Meaning I've lost 3 consecutively, and this 4 now give me 12. I will now have plus 12. You see, I'm back to 54. So it is very hard for me to blow my account. Following this, there is no way I will take 10 trades and I will lose the whole 10 trades. My goal is I will take 10 trades. If I should lose 6 and I make 4, I am still okay. Look at it. Let's do it this way. If I lose 6, 4 times 6, I'm risking $4 each, and I lose 6 trades. That is 24, right? And I want to then 24. So it's remaining 4 out of my 10 entry. I'll take 4 trades, and each of the entry I will make now, I want to make $8. That is 1:2. Do you see now? 32. So at the end of the day, I will still end up in overall profit of 8. So you see that there is no way I can end the trading section in a loss. So this thing is pretty simple. Trade this asset, boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, and crash 500 using this simple strategy. So this strategy is simple, and if you follow it using your stop loss, forget about how volatile it is, follow the strategy, go through videos on this channel, master those videos. We have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, or use the comment section of this video to ask your questions, and you will be attended to. By so doing, practice on your demo, deposit your $50 account, and you realize that you will not blow your account. You will realize that it is as hard as anything for you to blow your account. This is not gambling, and I believe you are gaining value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we upload our next video.